Drupal's permission system is granular by design, hundreds of individual permissions grouped into roles, so content editor and site administrator can have precisely different levels of access. Before we touch any code, here's the whole idea in a few facts. Every user has one or more roles. Every role has a set of granted permissions. Two roles exist by default: anonymous, logged out visitors, and authenticated, any logged in user. Permissions are typically defined per module. Installing a new module often adds new permissions to configure. Creating a role grants no permissions by itself. It's an empty container until permissions are explicitly assigned to it. A user can hold multiple roles simultaneously. Add role adds one without removing any existing roles. Creating the role itself grants no permissions yet. It's an empty container until permissions are explicitly checked for it. Role create is the programmatic equivalent, useful in an install hook, so every environment, dev, staging, production, gets the same role automatically. Permission machine names are typically action tag content. These three together let editors manage their own recipes, but not other users' content. Authenticated is a special, always present role ID. Granting a permission here applies it to every logged-in user regardless of their other roles. A user can hold multiple roles simultaneously. Add role adds one without removing any existing roles the user already has. Has permission is the real, correct way to gate functionality in custom code. Never hardcode role checks, since permissions can be reassigned across roles later. Here's the real difference. Roles are named collections of permissions. Users can hold multiple roles at once. Roles are named collections of permissions. Users can hold multiple roles at once. Anonymous and authenticated are special built-in roles every visitor user automatically has. Always check permissions with has permission. In code, never hardcode a specific role name. Create a content editor role that can create and edit recipe content, then assign it to a test user. Thanks for learning with us. Come back soon.